So welcome students. In this question, you're asked to find the period of sine square theta. So we know that sine theta repeats itself after an interval of 2 pi. So if you take f of theta is equal to sine theta, the period is 2 pi because sine of theta plus 2 pi will be equal to sine theta. But here the function is sine square theta. F of theta is equal to sine square theta. Now, obviously, if sine theta has a period of 2 pi, sine square theta should also have a period of 2 pi. But the question is whether the value 2 pi is the fundamental period or not. So 2 pi is always a period of this sine square theta. But is there a smaller period than 2 pi? We know that the smallest value of t is the fundamental period. So we can have pi or pi by 2 as the answer also. So we just need to check. So what is f of theta plus pi? So because 2 pi is already a period, we need to go to lower values, that is 2 pi by 2. So let us check whether pi is a period or not. So f of theta plus pi is sine of theta plus pi whole square. But sine of pi plus theta is minus sine theta whole square, that is equal to sine square theta is equal to f of theta. So f of theta plus phi, turned out to be f of theta. That means pi is also a period. That is, pi is also a period. Now you should not be happy with this. You have to go still further. Is pi by 2 a period? So let us find f of theta plus pi by 2. F of theta plus pi by 2 is sine of theta plus pi by 2 whole square. That is equal to cos square theta. That is equal to cos square theta. As you can see, the function has changed. So f of theta plus pi by 2 is not equal to f of theta. F of theta plus pi is equal to again f of theta. So pi is the least value or pi is the least period. So pi is the fundamental period. So pi is the answer. So this is one way of analyzing this question. Or the other way is sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. And what is the period of cos 2 theta? So the period of cos 2 theta is 2 pi by 2, right? Because if you have a number multiplying theta, the period will be divided by the same number. So the period is pi. So cos 2 theta repeats after an interval of pi. Similarly, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 also repeats after an interval of pi. So pi is the answer. Thank you.